Hello everyone. Today we are going to be doing Palworld modding. This game hasn't really gotten any major updates in a little while, but I still like to come back and play it. Now, some things that we are going to need is obviously you're going to need the game. You're going to need a Nexus Mods account, which is really not that hard to do. Just get your email, put it in, create a username, password, and everything. Then just go to Palworld here. Now, before we even start, just to get out the way, manage, manage, browse local files. Minimize that, you're really not going to need it. Keep that either over here or minimized, doesn't really matter. Pick the mods that you're going to want. I like to use, I haven't really opened this up in a good while, but let's see what we can find here. I swear I set it up with popular all time. It downloads all time. Alright, 1 second here. Alright, let's try this one more time. So now that we have this, what I like to get is I like to have Map Unlocker, just unlocks the whole map. Always good to have. Open a new tab. Go ahead. What do you mean access time? Alright. We may have to download these one by one, which obviously that's going to take a while. So I'll show you. So download, you're going to need UE4SS. Now that I remember. It's really not that hard. It'll tell you how to set it up. I'll also show you, but it will make the process slightly harder to do. Um, I'll just go ahead and get it from here. Okay, UE4SS. Scroll down. Where are the releases? Takes forever to get to. You only need 3.0.0. So that's what I'm going to be using, 3.0.0. Scroll all the way down. Assets. UE4SS 3.0.0. Alright, now that you have that, I like to have my carry weight increased. It increases by an absorbent amount. I just like to remove it entirely. We already had that. That is UE4SS. 3, 2, 1, and boom. Alright, back to where we were earlier. Palette it. You can if you want. You don't really need to because of creative menu, which you can just access in the game at all times, which will allow you to spawn things that don't exactly exist in the game, as well as change their stats. So you don't really need palette it if you just use this. Creative menu, Steam, and dedicated server. Now, this one also takes a little bit. However, I haven't really done this in a while. I may need to use the guide on this page. So we'll go ahead and pull that up now, because I remember this one being a little bit harder than the other mods because of the way that it was formatted. Alright, let's look and see more. So remove flying stamina, always fast travel. We'll do these two, and then you can keep looking. Um, I'm just downloading what I like to have personally. No log, always fast travel dot zip. Just go ahead and download that. Free. 3 megabytes, so it takes like maybe half a second. It's already done. This process takes a while just because of the sheer amount of files that you're going to probably end up downloading. They don't take up that much space though. It's like a couple megabytes each. Most of these are just going to be slight changes to the game that make it a lot better. But we'll go ahead, get this one as well. And that'll be the last one we're doing. Now we can come over here. Browse files, PAL binaries, 164, UES444. Sorry, UE4SS, whatever. Just extract it into your Win64. Alright, now I remember. We'll just open this. Okay. Here's what we brought up earlier. Sorry, PAL, binaries, Win64. Now we are here. We'll go ahead, we'll extract all. To make it easier, I want to extract it to somewhere that I know is completely empty. My music folder, I don't, yeah. It just makes it easier to access. Yes, I know. Ew, disgusting. Okay, now we have all this. So if I remember correctly, just drag and drop. But I do want to look at it real quick. Browse local files. Currently extract UE4SS. Make sure this file looks exactly like the image below. Alright, yeah, I was right. So just drag and drop. Perfect. Now, downloads, we can delete that. We don't really need it anymore. Now we can start with, again, that bigger one here. Installing the mod. Set the file Palworld, PAL folder to Palworld folder. Okay. Perfect. So now, from now on, you can, most mods, you can just extract all into your music folder, because just makes it easier for me personally. Drag and drop. Okay. Yes, you get the point. Just pick your mod, extract, put there. But I do think some of these won't all be like that, so I'll show you that as well. No, music. There we go. Extract, music. This is one of those. Alright, so now this is the type of one you're going to need to go to binaries in 64 and open your mods folder. This one you would have to drag drop into here. So if it says PAL, then you're going to need to, why is that pinned? Unpin. Whatever, we'll just leave it. Anyway, so yeah, some of these will have a just simple PAL folder that you drop into Palworld and it would go into here. If it is what looks to be a mod folder name, you go to here. It's really not that much, it's just a slight difference. Alright, I'm going to pause the recording and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, now that we're back, I do have to show you one more thing. So in the Win64, you're going to be looking for UE4SS settings. Now, here, okay, here you do have to change some things. This is because with that creative menu mod, stuff needs to be changed. So if we bring this up, you're going to be looking for BUse object array cache. I'm going to be changing it from true to false. So that would be right here. False. Okay. I always like to check to make sure it's saved. Yep, perfect. Okay, so now we can test by launching the game. Steam client services, yes. Okay, right now it's just installing a couple things to get the game to launch, which might take a little while now that I think about it, so I'll pause the recording again. Okay, so after a little bit, it now has booted. Alright, start game. This is a world I created a long time ago, but in theory, it should load in, and there will be a lot of, pals. Definitely not Pokemon. Here doing consensual labor. Definitely not forced to after I shoved them into spheres. Nope, it crashed. UE pal. Blah 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 blah. Hmm. Send restart. I think I just have to roll back the old version of this world. Like a really old version, but actually, you know what? We'll just create a new one. Uh, we'll just call it test. Multiplayer off. Whatever. Yeah, yada. Okay. This might actually. Nope. And it works. Okay. Same character name. Presets. We'll just do type 11. Start game. Yes. It is lagging a little bit. There's another mod that'll make it better for low NPCs. That is definitely not the Steam Deck I'm playing this on. As you can see up here, my mouse isn't available, but press F1 to open creative menu. This is the creative menu that they were talking about. So this would be all your pals, right? All your items, your kits. It's here, but you can't access it, or nothing shows up. Whatever. But yeah, there's a ton of stuff that we can take. Yeah. Um, if you hit your tab, you go to nope, nope. How I haven't played in a very long time. I forgot how you access the map. I know, embarrassing. Okay, I had to look it up. I know, embarrassing. M. Okay, so this mod didn't work. The auto map unlocker. Same thing with auto fast travel. Some stuff didn't work. Okay, so I think I just made a slight mistake while doing it. I didn't check if I had like a carry weight or anything, but I don't think I did. Um, so I think just those folders you needed to, I can just boop. Perfect. I love hitting Alt F4 to close my game quicker. No, I don't like you settings. Go away. Okay. Again, manage, browse local files, PAL, binaries 164, mods, voice fast shuttle. Here's my mistake. I was putting this by accident. Okay, so you don't just put the raw file, you have to put the file inside of the file. There's also I just saw earlier that there was a new mod that was made, and it's like what was it? It's a mod manager actually. That also looked good. I might install that as well. I might make a video on that, but hopefully this time the mods actually work. The map should be fully unlocked, fast travel fully unlocked. Sorry, not fully unlocked, but I can fast travel anywhere. Start game. There you go. Again, there are performance mods. I can tweak the settings to make this run better. And I will eventually. Today is simply not that day. Am I not tabbed in? My keyboard shut off. My keyboard died. No. Hmm. Alright. I obviously messed something up. I'll pause this and tell you when I get it fixed. Okay. I think I figured it out. So we're going to say, um, go into your properties. You know this properties. Copy paste this to the mods.txt file you have here. Go here, paste, space, colon, 1. And then we're going to be doing that a couple times. So here, properties, copy, enter, Control V, Shift, boom, 1. You want to do that for all the mods we installed. Luckily, it's really not that bad. It's supposed to do this automatically. It ended up not. But in theory, what? There we go. And then one more. And that was always fast travel. Enter, Control V. Okay. No, not settings. What am I doing? Alright. Always check, make sure it's saved. Perfect. Oh, wait, no. My bad. Save. Okay. It's saved. It's ready. Go. Hopefully this time it'll actually load up everything. I also think this original world is just corrupted beyond belief, but okay. Now we can try this one more time. And would you look at that? You still have to unlock all your fast travel points, but the map is fully unlocked. I don't know what these purple things are. I haven't played since they updated and added. It's like Bella Noir or something like that, and that was just like a mini boss. What is this? Well, I don't know. They added some stuff. What are these? What are these things? Oil rig. All right. So yeah, Palworld modding. I hope you all found that helpful. If you didn't, why are you still watching? What that for? All right. Bye.